What happened in Canada with the Afzal family? As you know, there's a 9-year-old boy that did survive the attack. He's in hospital. That family has many friends in the community. What would you say to their remaining family and friends after this event?
I must say everyone is shocked in this country because, we saw their family picture. And so, a family being targeted like that has had a deep impact in Pakistan. We have our embassy in Canada is in touch with the other family members. We are trying to work out what we can do for them. And we will come up with some sort of a solution, a foreign office, we're all in touch and we're working out. But at the moment, we're still in a state of shock because it is, when that happens, you immediately start thinking about your own family.
Yeah.
And you sort of worry about everyone gone and just one boy left. So we'll work out.